On behalf of the fellows, I am honored to present Valerie W. Rusch of New York, New York, who has been duly elected in accordance with the bylaws to the office of President of the American College of Surgeons.
By and with the authority vested in me by the fellows, I hereby install you, Dr. Valerie W. Rusch, as President of the American College of Surgeons, and vest in you the authority in the exercise of the duties pertaining thereto. It is a pleasure to invest you with the presidential insignia of the college, indicative of the great honor and responsibilities of the office. It is an honor.